What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon and welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys that are new here, I make stock market investing videos where I show you guys the dividend growth investing strategy, and today I'm going to be talking about how to invest in 2020. For those of you guys that aren't subscribed already, I greatly appreciate it if you subscribe down below and hit that bell button. It'll notify you when I post a new video so you guys are up to date on all the content that I put out to update you on my portfolios on Robinhood and M1 Finance. But before I get started, if you guys do want to get a free stock, you can use the link in the description for the Robinhood app. And then for M1 Finance, if you use my link as well, you do get a $10 or $20 referral bonus up until the 31st of January. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Now, if I open up the Robinhood app here, you'll see that my portfolio is currently sitting at $4,230 and some spare change. On the day, I'm down $23. On the week, I'm down about $19. This has been a pretty bad week for the stock market. Not too bad, but just everything was going down. Up on the month for about $55. On the 3-month chart, I'm up about $229. On the 1-year chart, my biggest returns here, I'm up about $512. If you look at the all-time chart, I'm up $314. Now, if you guys did watch my last investing video from about 2 weeks ago, my portfolio was up only about $237, I believe, on the all-time chart. And this is just to show you how powerful the stock market is. In a span of 2 weeks, I went from being up $237 to now up $314. So that's about like a $70 to $80 increase in my money in about 2 weeks for basically doing nothing, which is so cool. It would be much higher if the stock market didn't go down over the past few days, but no biggie. The stock market goes up, it goes down. No matter what, I'm just going to keep investing for the long run. This past week, I did make some purchases in my stock portfolio. I bought 2 shares of SPHD, which is an ETF that pays monthly dividends, and it's one of the bigger holdings in my portfolio, one of the more safer ones that I believe. I like buying ETFs because it's a lot safer compared to buying individual stocks. You could have a lot more gains if you buy individual stocks, but for now, I like to keep my portfolio pretty diverse. Now, my strategy for investing in 2020 involves 3 things: buying reputable companies, looking for discounts, and reinvesting my dividends. So, buying reputable companies, that is pretty common sense in itself, but basically I buy companies with big brand names or companies that I just believe will be going long term and just doing a lot and actually growing and with potential in the future. If you look at my portfolio here, if I scroll down, you'll see some big names here. I got Coca-Cola right there, AT&T, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, Pfizer right there, medical brand, Target, who doesn't love Target, Lowe's for all my construction work. No, I'm just kidding. In all honesty, I don't like doing research on companies that are up and coming, super low, trying to make it in the world right now. I like buying companies that are well known and making profit and things that we kind of use on a weekly, daily, monthly, whatever basis. Like I said, I'm pretty sure everyone that's watching this video right now has seen a Target before, been to Target before, or seen a Lowe's, or drank a Coca-Cola. So that's my strategy, to buy big brand companies and just keep putting my money into them because I feel like they're a lot safer than other ones. Second thing I'm doing is looking for discounts. So when I say discounts, that's basically when the stock price is down, I want to buy it. And you should too. You don't want to be buying a stock at $300 and then it drops to $150 the next day. You want to buy it when it's $150 so that it jumps up to $300, and that's when you have your total gains there. Now, I don't care too much about the gains in regards to the stock price going up because I'm going to be holding these companies forever. I don't plan on... My light just went out. For example, Apple, which I don't own in my Robinhood portfolio, but I have it in my M1 Finance portfolio. It faced a dip here in December of 2018, January 2019 at $150. If you would have bought the dip, because it went from $225 down to about $148 and bought that dip, it went from $148 to $317. So you would have doubled your money just by buying 1 share of Apple. So I'm looking for companies that are on discounted prices. Like I said, everything's really high right now because the stock market's just been going up and going up. It's on a rampage. It's on a bull run. But it's good to find companies that are kind of just going down a little bit. It might not be a big dip, but like I said, SPHD over the past week, it went from $44.35 to $43.38. So about $1 decrease. I decided to buy it because it dropped. It's not a huge decrease, but it's better than buying the stock at the highest share price that it could be. Now, the third thing and final thing I'll talk about in this video that I'm doing in 2020 is reinvesting my dividends. When it comes to reinvesting dividends, every time these companies pay me on a monthly or quarterly basis, I'm taking the money that they pay me and I'm actually putting it back into the same company or into other companies that I feel like are on a dip or discount, like I said in that last point. But if you look right here, my dividend history, these are all the upcoming dividends I have for the end of January going into February. And if you see, you might be saying, there's a couple little low ones, but we do have some big ones here from AT&T, $4.16, Avi right there at $3.54, Lowe's 55 cents. And if you add all this up, it comes out to about, let me do my math. It comes out to a little over $10. Now, that's not a lot of money in some people's opinion, but in reality, that $10 can be used for a lot of different things. And over time, the money that these companies are paying me are going to slowly get more and more and increase as long as I just keep buying more shares. So when they pay me next month, I'm going to take the money that I have sitting in my buying power, and I'm going to go ahead and just buy more stock, buy more ETFs. The biggest thing I'm looking for is to see when I put my money in, I'm getting money in return through dividends, and then hopefully the stocks go up in price so that I make money there as well. And all in all, as you can tell by the trend that I'm saying, making money. If you guys did enjoy this video, I greatly appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe for future content. It lets me know that you guys are engaged and actually enjoying the videos that I'm producing. And like I said, don't forget the 2 links in the description if you guys want to start investing. Start today. The best time to start was yesterday, so start now, all right? I will see you guys in the next video, and have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.